Hey there, finance enthusiasts and book lovers. Today, we've got an exciting review for you. We're diving into Money Honey, a simple 7-step guide for getting your financial dollar hit together by Rachel Richards. Rachel's book is a game changer, breaking down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. This book helps you take control of your finances and create a plan that truly works for you. With 7 steps that guide you through the process, you'll be on the path to financial success in no time. Now, let's talk about Rachel Richards. She's an expert in her field, with a background in law and accounting. Her practical experience and knowledge shine through in this guide to financial freedom. Her approach is clear and easy to follow, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial background or experience. In this book, you'll learn how to set up your own LLC and incorporate your side hustle or business for tax savings. It also provides valuable insights on how to pay less in taxes while becoming more financially independent. Overall, Money Honey is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and take control of their finances. So if you want to turn your money into your money honey, pick up a copy of this book today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful book reviews. Until next time, keep learning and reading.